Have you ever wondered about the best free businesses of 2024? Well, wonder no more, as we delve into the fascinating world of free business opportunities in this video, Unleashing Opportunity, exploring the best free businesses of 2024. Our journey begins with the vibrant realm of social media marketing. Picture a world where millions of users eagerly await your message, your brand. From partnerships with influencers to creating content that goes viral, businesses can tap into these free marketing channels to propel their growth into the stratosphere. The world is listening. Podcasting is now a major player in the digital age, and the entrance fee is zero. Imagine, with just a microphone, a computer, and a few creative thoughts, you can reach out to a global audience. The airwaves are open and they're free. Next, we venture into the bustling online marketplaces of e-commerce. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy extend an open invitation to aspiring entrepreneurs, offering a free stage to showcase their products or services. With a dash of creativity and a dollop of dedication, a small venture can flourish, reaching customers from every corner of the globe. The gig economy has given birth to a new breed of workers, freelancers. They're in high demand, and platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are their playground. These platforms, which connect freelancers with clients worldwide, are gateways to opportunities in a multitude of fields. The cherry on top, creating a profile on these platforms won't cost you a penny. Finally, we step into the world of blogging. If you have a passion, an expertise, a blog is your megaphone. Whether it's travel or fashion, food or finance, the sky's the limit. Free blogging platforms like WordPress and Wix are your canvas, ready for you to paint vibrant narratives and share your knowledge with a global audience. So there we have it, a sneak peek into the best free businesses of 2024. From social media marketing to podcasting, e-commerce to freelancing, blogging to sharing your unique perspective, the opportunities are boundless. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights and keep an eye out for the future of business.